Updating your payment method on Vellum is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Login. Access your Vellum account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scams billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and select the option for payment methods. This section will display your current payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Click on the option to edit or update your payment method. Enter your new payment details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for the Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your payment method is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Vellum. Make sure to check your account periodically to keep your information up to date.